Welcome to this video on genetic engineering in seed research and development. In the modern era of agriculture, the integration of biotechnology has revolutionized how we develop improved crop varieties. In this session, we will explore not only the basic concepts but also the detailed processes, applications, challenges, and future directions of genetic engineering in the seed industry. This knowledge is essential for understanding how science is shaping sustainable agriculture and global food security. Genetic engineering refers to the direct manipulation of an organism's genetic material using advanced biotechnological tools. Unlike conventional breeding methods that rely on natural recombination, genetic engineering allows scientists to introduce precise changes at the DNA level. This technology has become a cornerstone in seed R&D, enabling the development of crops with enhanced productivity, improved resistance to stresses, and superior quality traits. The need for genetic engineering arises from the increasing challenges faced by agriculture today. With the global population expected to exceed 9 billion, the demand for food is rapidly growing. At the same time, agricultural land is shrinking, and climate change is causing unpredictable weather patterns. Pests, diseases, and environmental stresses are further reducing crop yields. Genetic engineering offers a powerful solution by enabling the development of crops that can thrive under these challenging conditions. Traditional plant breeding has been practiced for centuries and has contributed significantly to crop improvement. However, it has limitations such as long breeding cycles and lack of precision. Genetic engineering overcomes these limitations by allowing the direct transfer of specific genes into plants. This not only speeds up the breeding process but also enables the introduction of traits that may not be available within the species. To understand genetic engineering, it is important to first understand DNA, which carries the genetic instructions for all living organisms. Genes are segments of DNA that determine specific traits. In genetic engineering, scientists isolate a gene responsible for a desired trait and insert it into the genome of a target plant. The plant then expresses this trait, resulting in a genetically modified crop. Several molecular tools are used in genetic engineering. Restriction enzymes act like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at specific sequences. DNA ligase acts as a glue, joining DNA fragments together. Vectors, such as plasmids, are used to carry the gene into plant cells. Polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, is used to amplify DNA, ensuring that sufficient copies of the gene are available for manipulation. The first step in genetic engineering is identifying the gene responsible for the desired trait. This involves extensive research and screening. For example, the Bt gene, derived from a soil bacterium, provides resistance against certain insect pests. Identifying such genes requires a deep understanding of genetics, molecular biology, and plant physiology. Once the target gene is identified, it must be isolated from the source organism. This is done using restriction enzymes that cut the DNA at specific locations. The isolated gene is then amplified using PCR to generate multiple copies. This step ensures that there is enough genetic material for further processing. In the cloning process, the isolated gene is inserted into a vector, usually a plasmid. This recombinant plasmid is then introduced into bacterial cells, where it replicates and produces multiple copies of the gene. This amplification step is crucial for ensuring the success of the transformation process. The next step is transferring the gene into plant cells. There are several methods available, each with its own advantages. The most widely used methods are Agrobacterium-mediated transformation and the gene gun method. The choice of method depends on the crop species and the nature of the experiment. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a naturally occurring bacterium that has the ability to transfer DNA into plant cells. Scientists exploit this ability by inserting the desired gene into the bacterium's T plasmid. When the bacterium infects the plant cells, it transfers the gene into the plant genome. This method is highly efficient and widely used for many crops. The gene gun method, also known as the biolistic method, involves physically delivering DNA into plant cells. Tiny particles of gold or tungsten are coated with DNA and shot into plant tissues using high pressure. Some of these particles penetrate the cells and integrate the DNA into the genome. This method is particularly useful for crops that are less susceptible to Agrobacterium infection. After transformation, only a small number of cells successfully incorporate the new gene. To identify these cells, selectable marker genes are used. These markers confer resistance to certain antibiotics or chemicals, allowing only the transformed cells to survive under selective conditions. The transformed cells are then cultured in a controlled laboratory environment using tissue culture techniques. These cells are induced to develop into whole plants through processes such as organogenesis or somatic embryogenesis. This step is critical for producing fully developed genetically modified plants. Once the plants are regenerated, it is important to confirm that the introduced gene is functioning correctly. Molecular techniques such as PCR and ELISA are used to detect gene presence and expression. Additionally, field trials are conducted to evaluate the performance of the plants under real conditions. Genetic engineering enables the development of a wide range of traits. These include resistance to insects and diseases, tolerance to herbicides, and adaptability to environmental stresses. These traits significantly improve crop productivity and reduce the need for chemical inputs. Bt crops are among the most successful genetically engineered crops. They contain a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis, which produces a protein toxic to specific insect pests. This reduces the need for chemical pesticide and helps in protecting the environment while maintaining crop yield. Herbicide-tolerant crops allow farmers to use herbicides to control weeds without harming the crop. This simplifies weed management and reduces labor costs. It also ensures better crop growth by minimizing competition from weeds. Abiotic stress tolerance is becoming increasingly important in the context of climate change. Genetic engineering enables the development of crops that can withstand drought, salinity, and extreme temperatures. These traits help maintain stable yields under adverse conditions. Genetic engineering also plays a key role in improving the nutritional quality of crops. Biofortified crops, such as golden rice, are enriched with essential nutrients like vitamin A. These crops help address nutritional deficiencies and improve public health. In the seed industry, genetic engineering has transformed the way new varieties are developed. It enables faster breeding cycles, precise trait incorporation, and the development of high-value seeds. This provides a competitive advantage to seed companies in the global market. Genetically engineered crops must undergo rigorous regulatory evaluation before they can be commercialized. This includes laboratory testing, confined field trials, and environmental risk assessments. Regulatory frameworks ensure that these crops are safe for human consumption and the environment. Despite its advantages, genetic engineering faces several challenges. These include high research and development costs, complex regulatory requirements, public concerns about safety, and issues related to intellectual property rights. Addressing these challenges is essential for the wider adoption of this technology. The future of genetic engineering is promising, with advancements such as CRISPR gene editing, genome sequencing, and artificial intelligence integration. These technologies will further enhance precision, reduce costs, and accelerate the development of improved crop varieties. In conclusion, genetic engineering is a powerful and transformative tool in seed research and development. It enables the development of crops that are more productive, resilient, and nutritious. As we move forward, the integration of advanced technologies will continue to shape the future of agriculture and ensure global food security. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on seed technology and plant breeding. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments section.